Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Shifting State. It's me again, guys. I'm back on my roadster, and I'm on my favorite road, Route 5. I figure with it being fall and all, and nice and cool, and it's actually a good like 65, 70 degrees today, but I was like, definitely gotta get on these back roads that I love so much and have some fun. But today I wanted to talk about a little bit, just a little bit, motorcycle maintenance again, because it's very important. And talking about like your regulatory maintenance, like oil changes, all that good stuff, and you know, definitely keep a check on your bike. And when I say check on your bike, woo, that's fun. You know, you are ultimately responsible for the operation of your bike. Now, whether you are, you know, take it upon yourself to take it someone else or do it yourself, you still need to make sure that your bike is properly working and working order, because it's your life that depends on it. But with all that stuff said, so you're either one or two type people, you take it to somewhere to get it fixed, or you do it yourself. I myself, I don't have a lot of confidence in myself, but I want to learn and I'm going to do it myself. And my anniversary is actually coming up. My wife got me an early anniversary gift, and that was a scissor lift for the bike. And you know, you saw that in the beginning of the video, obviously. So that helps me. I was actually able to get it jacked up, check my rear wheel bearings, because I was feeling kind of iffy about them. But as you see, I'm still out here having fun, so I guess they're doing all right. I didn't hear any clicking or, you know, moving of the wheel or anything like that, but it was nice that I got in there and I was able to check it out. So invest in those couple of tools like that to kind of help yourself out. Even if, you know, check your belt and all that stuff, you know, make sure it's nice and tight. But more so just motorcycle maintenance is, you know, like with me, I'm bound to, since I don't have a whole lot of people I like to talk to, because I don't like people, kind of like to keep to myself. It's either I'm gonna go on YouTube and watch other YouTubers show me how to do something, or go get a manual, which I do plan on getting a manual, and do it myself. So there's two good ways to learn, or three. You find somebody who knows what they're doing and they show you. And that brings me to the next thing I want to talk about is, I had this idea, you know, if maybe one day, one magical day, that my YouTube channel takes off, I thought it'd be kind of cool, and you know, I would take a lot of pride in that. And starting my own like community garage for like the younger generation, who, you know, we have the young generation now who they're stuck with tablets and all that stuff. Well, how nice would it be to have a community garage where these kids can come find that passion for motorcycles, then two, learn to work on these bikes and find that respect of maintaining them. And that kind of brings me back. I talked to you guys about that movie, Harley and the Davidsons. I love that movie. You know, like I said, not everything is true in that movie, but I still like the movie. It's inspirational in my opinion, you know, in the motorcycle world. And you know, one of the parts in the movie, they talk about, I think it was World War II, and you know, the government contractors came to Harley Davidson and Indian, actually, in the movie. I don't know the facts on it because I haven't researched it, but they came to them and said, we need you guys to build bikes for the troops, and I need both of y'all to do it because y'all can't, you know, meet the demands. Well, you know, they were going to do like Indian doing this amount, Harley doing this amount. Well, one of the founding fathers of Harley Davidson spoke up and said, I want to say, it wasn't Bill, but anyways, they spoke up and said, not only will we build the bikes, but we will start a Harley Davidson, you know, training program where we will teach these soldiers or the troops how to take care of and maintain their motorcycles, not only in the shop but in the field, how to swap out parts and all that good stuff. Well, you know, he was questioned on why he did that by the other founders, and he said, well, you think about it, these guys are going to be living breathing, surviving on these machines. They're gonna know nothing but what they're comfortable with, and that's working on a Harley Davidson. So that's my little bit of advice for Harley. Maybe you can take a page from that, and you want the younger generation to get inspired to ride, and ride a Harley at that. Why not maybe, instead of investing in celebrities, and I'm not like taking jabs, but instead of investing in these celebrities and stuff like that, oh, driving across country, or, you know, driving a Harley Davidson, how about invest in a training program where the younger generation can come out, get their hands on this, feel comfortable with it, feel a passion for it, build that passion, and then ride. And like, I think if a younger version of me came across that and was starting to a program like that, I think I would have got sucked in a lot earlier than what I did. Because the only reason I bought a Harley is because I always liked the sound of a Harley, but I never really liked the looks, up until I found the Roadster, because it was like a cafe racer style, and I was more like into sports bikes and stuff, but I wanted that raw like look, raw like naked mean look. So that's what drew me into Harleys. And then I found my passion for the cruisers later on as I learned more and more and more. So that's all I want to talk about today, and I'm going to end it with this beautiful, beautiful sunset. And one of the many things I love about riding right here. So I hope I didn't talk you guys' ear off. I hope you enjoyed the video. More to come. And keep riding, do it safe, maintain your ride. I'll catch y'all next time.